Attention! Unusual hydraulic pressure in the transmission. Expected failure in 150 kilometers. Please visit a workshop.
Huh? The car knows when it's going to break down? How crazy is that? Sounds like something from the future? At LANXESS, it's already a reality, only on a completely different level. I'm meeting Matthias to find out more. Predictive maintenance. Does that basically mean repairing something before it breaks down? Exactly, but instead of the usual parameters in a car such as oil level or tire pressure, we measure much more complex parameters here, right here at our plants. Okay, I can see that it's all a bit more complex here with you guys, but what does complex mean? So what exactly do you measure? We measure temperatures, vibrations, speeds, basically all signals that can provide information about the condition of the machine. And what do you do with the data from these machines? The data itself is sent to our software in real time, with the help of AI. The software analyzes this data, or rather the machines behind this data, and is able to detect anomalies.
Auffälligkeiten zu erkennen.
So I can think of it like an onboard computer in a car? Exactly. The onboard computer monitors oil, tire pressure, temperature, for example. Our software does the same with the machines. And if your software detects an anomaly, what does it do then? Then it triggers an alarm. And we, as the analysis team, evaluate this alarm and plan countermeasures. We work closely with machine and process experts from the plants, because it is only through this interaction between the software, the analysis team, and the experts on site that we can interpret the data correctly and initiate the appropriate measures. So if necessary, someone goes to the machine and checks it on site. We check the machine, examine the environment, and then decide how we can prevent the failure. Sometimes we switch to redundancy. Okay, so nothing is really left to chance here. Exactly. This way, in the first year alone, we were able to avoid costs from damage and production downtime in the low seven-figure euro range. And that's only because everything is so well monitored.
Hydraulic pressure critical. Please do not continue driving.
Oh no, not now! Well, my car could have used predictive maintenance from LANXESS. Now I'll just have to see when the next bus is coming.